The PODX GO Grande S1 is a futuristic foldable tiny house designed to combine mobility with real home comfort. Created by PODX GO, it's often called the world's first self-folding mobile home. The PODX GO Grande S1 is redefining modern living with a home that moves and transforms. At first glance, it looks like a compact trailer, but with the push of a button, it unfolds into a fully functional house in just minutes. Using a hydraulic system, the Grande S1 expands to nearly 3 times its original size, creating a spacious interior of about 364 square feet. Inside, you'll find everything you need: a living room, kitchen, bedroom with a king-size folding bed, and even a full bathroom. It's designed for comfort, efficiency, and smart living. Built with a strong steel frame and insulated panels, it's durable and suitable for different climates. It also supports solar power systems, making it ideal for off-grid living. Whether you want a mobile home, a vacation cabin, or a minimalist lifestyle, the Grande S1 offers flexibility like never before. In simple terms, it's not just a tiny house, it's a smart, expandable home on wheels, built for the future. ElectricBrands XBUS. The ElectricBrands XBUS is one of the most versatile electric vehicles ever designed. Built by ElectricBrands, the XBUS isn't just a car, it's a fully modular platform that can transform into multiple vehicles. From a pickup truck to a camper van or even a small bus, it adapts to your needs in just a few steps. Weighing under 600 kilograms, it's lightweight and efficient, yet capable of carrying up to 3 passengers and heavy cargo. Powered by an electric drivetrain, it delivers a top speed of around 100 kilometers per hour, with a range that can extend significantly, especially when equipped with solar panels on the roof. One of its standout features is its interchangeable modules. With over 8 configurations available, users can switch between city driving, off-road adventures, or even camping setups. Compact, eco-friendly, and incredibly flexible, the XBUS represents a new idea of mobility, where one vehicle can do the job of many. Starliner SL25. The Starliner SL25 is a compact luxury motorhome that proves big comfort can come in a smaller package. Built by Swiss manufacturer MARS, this premium RV is designed on an Iveco Daily chassis, combining strength, reliability, and high-end craftsmanship. Despite its relatively compact size, around 8 to 9 meters long, it feels incredibly spacious thanks to expandable slide-outs that extend the living and sleeping areas. Inside, the SL25 offers everything you'd expect from a luxury home: a stylish lounge, a fully equipped kitchen, a modern bathroom, and sleeping space for up to 4 people with 2 comfortable beds. One of its standout features is the optional rear garage, allowing you to carry a small car or extra gear, something rarely seen in vehicles of this size. With full automation, premium materials, and smart space-saving design, every detail is built for comfort and convenience. The Tesla Cybertruck motorhome is not an official Tesla product, but a growing trend of concepts and custom conversions that turn this futuristic truck into a fully electric camper. The Tesla Cybertruck motorhome is a bold vision of the future, where electric vehicles meet mobile living. Built on the futuristic Cybertruck platform, this concept transforms a rugged electric pickup into a fully functional camper. With its stainless steel body and powerful battery system, it offers both durability and off-grid capability. Inside, the motorhome conversion can include a compact kitchen, sleeping area, and even a small bathroom, turning the truck into a self-contained living space. Some designs also feature solar panels on the roof, allowing extended travel without relying on external power. Because the Cybertruck is fully electric, it provides a quiet, emission-free camping experience. Plus, with access to Tesla's supercharger network, long-distance travel becomes more practical than ever. While most Cybertruck motorhomes are still custom builds or concept designs, they showcase a powerful idea. The future of road trips could be cleaner, smarter, and more independent. In simple terms, the Cybertruck motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a glimpse into the next generation of adventure and sustainable travel. MARS15 Premium. The MARS15 Premium is a futuristic modular home designed for fast, flexible, and modern living. Built using advanced prefab technology, this capsule-style house can be transported easily and installed in a very short time, making it perfect for remote locations, resorts, or smart urban living. Its compact design doesn't mean compromise. Inside, the Mars 15 Premium can include a bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, and living space, all intelligently arranged to maximize comfort in a small footprint. Many designs are customizable, allowing users to choose layouts, materials, and features based on their needs. Constructed with a strong steel frame and thermal insulation, it is built to last for decades while remaining energy efficient and eco-friendly. Some versions also support smart systems, solar power, and modular expansion, meaning the home can grow or adapt over time. Volkner Performance S. The Volkner Performance S is not just a motorhome, it's a rolling luxury mansion. Built by a German company known for elite craftsmanship, this ultra-premium RV is considered one of the most expensive in the world, with prices reaching several $1 million. What truly sets it apart is its hidden supercar garage. At the push of a button, a platform slides out from the center of the vehicle, revealing space for a car like a Bugatti or Porsche. Inside, it feels more like a five-star hotel than a vehicle. You'll find a spacious lounge, a fully equipped kitchen, a luxury bathroom with a shower, and a master bedroom with a king-size bed. Premium materials like marble, leather, and real wood are used throughout. Despite its size, it's built for long-distance travel, with advanced safety systems, large water tanks, and off-grid capabilities, including solar power. RC Motorhomes RC12M. The RC Motorhomes RC12M is the definition of ultimate luxury on wheels. Built on a powerful Volvo truck chassis with a 540 horsepower engine, this massive 12-meter motorhome delivers both strength and elegance. What makes it truly special is its expandable design. With four large slide-outs, the interior transforms into a space that feels more like a high-end apartment than a vehicle. Inside, you'll find everything, from a luxury lounge and fully equipped kitchen to a spacious master bedroom and premium bathroom, all finished with materials inspired by superyachts.